Hello and welcome to WKP. It is finally Friday, finally the weekend, and with the weekend, we're going to be seeing some more tropical weather because guess what? It's the peak of the season. We are seeing a ton of tropical weather. Right now, we're looking at Tropical Depression 19, which just formed off the coast of Florida, and we're going to be seeing a tropical storm out of this system soon, eventually coming and hitting New Orleans, Louisiana at a strong tropical storm. The intensity guidance for this storm is showing a strong tropical storm. Some models are showing a Category 1 hurricane. I do think if the conditions are right, we could see a hurricane hitting around New Orleans, Louisiana. I'd say anywhere between this New Orleans area and up here into Mississippi should keep an eye on this storm. That will be where this storm will likely make landfall. So now let's also take a look at Tropical Storm Paulette, which is going to form into a hurricane very soon and come around and hit Bermuda by 2 p.m. Monday. Paulette will likely be a hurricane, a Category 2 hurricane by landfall on Bermuda. And if I called Paulette Laura, I'm sorry, I'm getting those two very confused. For some reason, I always want to call Paulette Laura. Besides that fact, we're going to be seeing Paulette veer off of Bermuda into the ocean by 2 p.m. Tuesday. What's the intensity going to be for this storm? Most models are saying a strong, very strong Category 1 hurricane to strong Category 2 hurricane. I do think we will see a Category 3 hurricane out of this storm because the conditions have been very good for this storm and it's interacted with wind shear and tolerated it very well. This is a very organized, very strong system that we're going to be seeing a lot of intensifying out of. Now, not all storms in the Atlantic are going to be doing the same thing as Paulette. Tropical Storm Renee, on the other hand, is going to stay a tropical storm, and I don't think we're going to be seeing much for this storm. I don't think this model is exactly accurate. I think we're going to be seeing this storm die off probably around that 2 p.m. Monday time. It's been very weak. It hasn't interacted with wind shear well. It hasn't really formed. It's basically on the edge of a disturbance. So I don't think we'll be seeing much of Renee. It'll likely weaken and die very quickly. So what are the other storms out in the Atlantic doing, and where are they? We have Disturbance number 1, which has a 30% chance of forming in the next 5 days, and likely will not do anything. It's going to go towards Mexico. I don't think we'll see this storm form. But we also have Disturbance 2, which has an 80% chance of forming in the next 48 hours and 90% chance of forming in the next 5 days. We will definitely be seeing a tropical disturbance out of the storm by tomorrow morning. I am sure of it. We will see a disturbance by tomorrow morning, and I do think this will be a hurricane if conditions are exactly perfect for the storm. And then we have Disturbance 3, which has a 10% chance of forming in the next 48 hours, and then within the next 5 days, a 40% chance of forming. So that is it for your tropical weather outlook. Stay safe, everybody, and if you're in Bermuda, stay prepared. Do not worry. Don't worry, just be prepared. You've got this all over. You've got this, guys. Also, tomorrow I will be making a video on how to protect your plants from a hurricane. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP.